What's up, y'all? This is Desmond. In this video, I'm going to show y'all how I created a visual timer countdown in Shooting Game Builder. And I used this countdown for one of the fan games I made. So let me just run it real quick. So as you see on the top right, there's a countdown right here. And there isn't a timer native to STGBuilder. I had to create this. And also, just to let you know, the timer is not linked to any game time. That is separate. This is just a visual timer display. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the test play. And I'm going to open up over here on stage what I used. Go to enemy placement. And what I had to do is I had to actually place the digits as characters on the enemy placement area. Okay. That's the only way I found out how to do it in this way, and in the way that I want it to have it be in numbers, minutes and seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this one right here, time test 1. This is what I called it because I was testing it out. I didn't know what to do as far as like what to really call it. Attribute flags outside of game, so it exists outside of the you playing. And I don't know why I had disable self-destruct. I'm not sure, and I'm not sure about why I had important character. And also, I think this. I don't think this has anything to do with anything. No, I didn't display a string. Okay, so over here I had a sprite, which is using a courier text or font text bitmap, and I had it all structured out and everything, for every number and character, or to a certain amount. And over here I have made a animation. Okay, and what I had to do a little bit of math and separate each pattern number by frames. Okay, so right here, pattern number 17, let's go to 17 right here. And then 60 frames to the next pattern will be 18, which is 1. So why don't we play it back? See? It's an animation. That's basically what it is. And then it'll loop back. And I had to do that for the next digits. And this is much longer. This is 600 frames in between each pattern, and we'll play it back, and it'll be going to 2 pretty soon, I hope. There we go. So that's kind of how it is. And then 3 is much longer. This is like really long. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna play the animation through of this. That'll take a little bit long, but you get the point. So basically, yeah, make sure you use these frame amounts. Okay. Why don't we go back to the test play? So yeah, so 60 frames per pattern number for this digit, and then for the second digit right here, which is every tens, 600 frames. And then for every minute, I had to use 3600. So yeah, that's how I had to figure it out. And I'm gonna let this run all the way to the minute. I'm just gonna mess around for a little bit. And yeah, this is a fan game I made. I'll put the link in the description for you to check it out. It was supposed to be a like a time attack caravan based shooter. and right now is going to the 1 minute mark. Okay, so yeah, that's how it is. So what I want to show you is like how exactly I had it to be outputted. So I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna go to at least one of them. Which one should I do? Oh, time test one, the one I just closed out. So for the script, I made a script. In the script, I have put the move XY that you can find in move. So I had to set it to X 176 over 50. Number of frames required for the move 1. And it's specified target coordinates as a relative value. Stop when target is reached. And when it is reached, it will stop in its place at 0, X and 0, Y. That's why it is stuck there. Okay. That's why it's stuck. And that's how you usually keep certain things if you want to make like your own UI for certain things, or any sort of things to be displayed on screen for them to stay still. So if I have this to 100, see how it's like down here. So yeah, let's move it back to where it was, which was 50. Okay, and also let me open up the script again. So what I did is, after it is moved and is stuck there, I had a label linked over here. Make sure that it's the same number. Drawing pattern, okay, that you can find in drawing. -1, which is the animation, okay. Why don't we go over here? Pattern 1. And this is the seconds over here on the, I would say the the second slot side, okay. I'm gonna show you for the next number slot, time test 2. -2 right here. Oh, and also for frames, I have it set to 7200, which is like, what was that, like 2 minutes? And when it goes to that amount of frames as a whole, it will go down to pattern 0, which is 0. So that's what I did. I made it go to this amount, and keep it running, and then when it goes to 7200, it'll go to 0, just like that. Yeah, let me open up -2, and that is this right here, which is the 10 spot. Not sure if that's what it's really called. Okay, and I'll show you the last one, and it's pretty much almost the same thing. We just changed one little thing. One little thing got changed. -3, which is for the minute spot right here. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that that needs to be explained with that. I'm not sure. But yeah, that is one way to do it. I kind of hope there was a way to have it already be native in the in the program itself instead of doing this, but yeah, that's basically how it is. But yeah, let me know what you think, and in the next video I will show real quick on like how I made it to where when the timer is up, when the visual timer is up, it can like sync to the some events that is in the game. All right, so yeah, thanks for watching.